Hello food lovers, I'm Nahida and welcome to Oven Recipes. Today we are baking something rich, moist and full of goodness, a delicious chocolate banana cake, that too without an oven. Let's begin. Take 2 ripe bananas and 2 eggs and mash them very well. Bananas make the cake naturally moist and eliminate the need for extra butter. Add half cup sugar, pour in 1/3 cup oil and half teaspoon vanilla essence and mix again. Bananas are packed with potassium and are great for heart health. This cake can be your quick fix for leftover ripe bananas. No oven, no problem. This recipe works beautifully on a stove top. Time to sift the dry ingredients. 1 and 1/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Sieve and gently fold them into the wet mix. Cocoa was once considered a food of the gods in ancient cultures. Cocoa has antioxidants that boost your mood and brain function. Add half cup milk and mix well until you get a smooth and pourable batter. Using oil instead of butter makes it lighter and easier to digest. Now add 3 tablespoons chocolate chips and give it a good mix. Grease a 7-inch cake mold with oil and line it with baking paper. Pour the batter in and sprinkle some chocolate chips on top for that gooey chocolatey finish. Preheat a pan with a wire stand for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the cake mold inside, cover with a lid and cook for 35 to 40 minutes. Keep the pan temperature steady, too hot and the cake may burn from the bottom. It's a sweet treat but homemade, so you control the ingredients. And that's it, a soft, rich and chocolatey banana cake you will want to make again and again. Did this recipe make your day sweeter? Comment below and let us know what you think. And if you try this at home, don't forget to tag us. Like, share and subscribe to Oven Recipes for more no-fail, no-oven dessert. Until next time, happy baking and stay sweet.